The F-15EX Eagle II represents the pinnacle of nearly 5 decades of advancement in the F-15 series, an aircraft already known for its combat superiority and resilience. As the latest and most sophisticated variant of this legendary fighter, the F-15EX is built not only to replace aging F-15C and F-15D models, but also to face modern battlefield challenges with a range of cutting-edge technologies and unprecedented versatility. With its robust electronic warfare suite, including systems tested in recent exercises, the F-15EX is designed to counter modern threats with unmatched adaptability and survivability. The story of the F-15 Eagle began in 1976 when it entered service as a high-performance air superiority fighter. Since then, it has proven itself in every major conflict, boasting over 100 air-to-air kills without suffering a single combat loss. Its reputation for speed, firepower, and durability made it an indispensable tool in the U.S. Air Force's arsenal. However, as the global security landscape evolved, so did the need for a more advanced fighter, one that could handle a variety of roles beyond traditional air combat. In response, Boeing developed the F-15EX Eagle II, a modernized version of the classic Eagle. The EX variant stands apart from its predecessors, incorporating state-of-the-art engines, sensors, avionics, and mission adaptability. The need for this upgrade was apparent as the U.S. faced new threats, aging aircraft fleets, and a shortage of fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 and F-35. As warfare becomes more dependent on electronic and cyber capabilities, the F-15EX is poised to take on a new role, with Boeing exploring how it might replace aging platforms like the EA-18G Growler in conducting electronic warfare. The F-15X isn't just a simple refresh of an old model. It's a complete overhaul designed to meet the demands of 21st century warfare. Equipped with F-110GE129 engines, the aircraft can achieve blistering speeds of up to Mach 2.5. These powerful engines not only boost speed, but also enable the fighter to carry nearly 30,000 pounds of payload, making it one of the most heavily armed fighters in the world. One of the most striking aspects of the F-15EX is its advanced fly-by-wire system, which allows for more precise control and enables the aircraft to operate at the very edge of its flight performance limits. This makes the Eagle II significantly more maneuverable and capable of handling the stresses of combat, even when fully loaded with weapons. The F-110GE129 engines, with their 29,000 pounds of thrust, provide the F-15EX with more power than any previous Eagle model. This not only enables the aircraft to carry a heavier payload, but also allows it to achieve a blistering top speed of Mach 2.5, a critical factor in ensuring air dominance. The F-15EX can also operate in extreme environments and at high altitudes, maintaining its performance under conditions that would challenge many other fighters. Additionally, the adoption of a fly-by-wire system, a first for the F-15 family, significantly enhances the aircraft's maneuverability, allowing pilots to push the jet to its limits with greater control and precision. Perhaps the most important improvements in the F-15X lie in its sensor and avionics suite. The inclusion of the APG-82 active electronically scanned array radar gives the aircraft unparalleled detection capabilities, allowing it to track multiple targets at longer ranges with greater accuracy than previous models. Paired with the Legion Pod Infrared Search and Track (IRST) system, the F-15EX is capable of passive detection of stealthy or otherwise hard-to-track targets. Moreover, the F-15EX boasts a 50% increase in chaff and flare capacity, providing additional protection against surface-to-air missiles and man-pads. These countermeasures, housed in new fairings behind the tail fins, give the aircraft enhanced survivability in highly contested environments. The Eagle Passive/Active Warning Survivability System, EPAWSS, is another crucial addition, offering comprehensive threat detection and countermeasures. Developed by BAE Systems, the EPAWSS ensures that the F-15EX can detect and evade both surface and airborne threats, providing pilots with advanced situational awareness in combat scenarios. These capabilities are integrated through the Advanced Display Core Processor 2, ADCP-2, one of the fastest mission computers ever installed in a fighter aircraft, and displayed on a new large area display, ensuring pilots have all the necessary information at their fingertips. This system, which recently completed operational tests, enables the F-15EX to detect, jam, and evade electromagnetic threats in real time. The system's cognitive electronic warfare capabilities allow it to adapt rapidly to new threats during missions, enhancing the fighter's survivability in contested environments. Designed with versatility in mind, the F-15EX can fulfill various roles, from homeland defense to more specialized missions. Its ability to carry every weapon in the U.S. Air Force's arsenal, including future standoff hypersonic missiles, makes it a force multiplier in both conventional and future conflict scenarios. With 2 additional pylons, the F-15EX can carry more weapons than any other fighter, giving it unmatched loadout flexibility. The F-15X is also expected to play a key role in future aerial operations, integrating with 5th-generation assets like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Its potential as a high-speed, heavily armed weapons platform makes it an ideal partner for stealth fighters, filling in capability gaps and extending the overall combat reach of the Air Force. One of the defining features of the F-15EX is its ability to perform a wide range of combat missions. Traditionally, the F-15 was known for its air superiority role, but the F-15EX expands far beyond that. With its increased payload capacity and additional weapon stations, the F-15EX can carry not only air-to-air missiles, but also a vast array of air-to-ground ordnance, including precision-guided munitions, standoff missiles, and even future hypersonic weapons. This flexibility allows commanders to tailor the aircraft's loadout to the specific needs of each mission. With its expanded payload capacity, the F-15EX is uniquely capable of carrying hypersonic weapons, which are critical in addressing near-peer threats like those posed by Russia and China. Its ability to deploy 12 AMRAAMs, or a mix of advanced air-to-ground munitions, makes it one of the most versatile fighters in the Air Force's inventory. Looking forward, the F-15EX is not just a fighter, it is a platform for innovation. Boeing has explored equipping the Eagle II with electronic warfare capabilities similar to those of the Navy's EA-18G Growler, potentially making it the Air Force's first dedicated electronic attack platform. This would fill a critical gap, as the Air Force currently relies on the Navy for electronic warfare support. Another future role for the F-15X lies in unmanned combat systems. The idea of pairing manned fighters with autonomous wingmen has gained traction, and the Eagle II's second cockpit could be repurposed as a control station for such drone fleets. In this configuration, the pilot would handle the fighter's navigation and weapons, while the second crew member would manage the autonomous aircraft. This concept, known as loyal wingmen, could revolutionize air combat, allowing manned aircraft to operate in tandem with a swarm of unmanned systems, greatly increasing mission flexibility and lethality. Boeing is actively exploring the potential for the F-15EX to serve in a similar role to the EA-18G Growler, the Navy's primary electronic warfare aircraft. If realized, this would provide the Air Force with an organic electronic attack capability, a critical need as the military moves to counter threats in the electromagnetic spectrum. In future conflicts, the F-15EX could be equipped with jamming pods and cyber attack tools, bringing a powerful new dimension to the Air Force's combat capabilities. The F-15EX Eagle II is more than just an upgraded version of a classic. It is a new aircraft that retains the combat-proven qualities of the original while adding a host of modern capabilities. Whether defending the homeland, delivering massive payloads, or operating alongside autonomous systems, the F-15EX is poised to serve as a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force for decades to come. As Boeing continues to develop the platform, the potential uses for the F-15EX are likely to expand, further solidifying its role in both near-term and future combat operations. This latest evolution of the Eagle stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the F-15 and its ability to adapt to the ever-changing demands of aerial warfare. With a projected service life of 20,000 hours, the F-15EX promises to be a fixture in the skies for years to come, representing the cutting edge of fighter technology while building on one of the most successful aircraft designs in history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.